If the price of Bitcoin and the other crypto you track disappeared from your screen for 24 hours, would your plan survive? The phone buzzes, candles turn red, your heart jumps, and in the middle of it, an hourglass stays steady, almost saying, breathe. That's how the market gets you. A lot of noise in your hand, not enough clarity in your head. Let's be direct. Price is noise. Your process decides your results. Today, I'll show you the Stoic 80-20 that protects your mind and your bankroll, with no magic and no perfect signal. 4 non-negotiable decisions you can fit into your day that cut 80% of the anxiety. Take a breath. From here, it's simple. First, separate what is truly yours from what never was, what you control, and what you only observe. Here's the split that changes everything. Control on one side, acceptance on the other. You don't control price, the feed, or market mood. You do control your rules. Which rules? 4 simple levers. 1 position size. How much goes into each buy? A fixed percent of your bankroll. Small enough to sleep well, repeatable enough to last for months. 2 contribution routine, weekly DCA. Same day, same time, same action. Think in Satoshis as steps, small, consistent, stacked. 3 loss limit / acceptable drawdown, a number written down. If it hits, you reduce, pause, breathe. No drama, no doubling down, protection comes first. 4 minimum holding horizon, a minimum time before any decision. Days, weeks, months? Decide now. Respect it later. When these levers are locked, 80% of the noise loses power. You stop asking, what now? And start doing what was already decided. Your brain slows down. Execution clicks. Rhythm beats intensity. From here, it's simple. You don't react to the feed. You follow a protocol. And good protocol is born before the hit. The limit on paper, buying in Satoshis without making up for it, and a short record of your decisions. With that, price becomes the scenery, and you become the direction. Before price tests you, test yourself. Premeditatio malorum, a rehearsal for the downside. Write it in a simple note. If we drop -30%, I pause impulses for 24 hours. I do not increase size. I keep my DCA routine. If my drawdown is hit, I cut size, 0 leverage, review risk. No winning it back by force, only protocol. Constructive negativity, a ready response. Practice the line. This was already in the plan. When the feed tries to pull you, breathe for 10 seconds, read the protocol, and only then act. DC, A+ goals in Satoshis. Same day, same time, small amount, repeated. Treat Satoshis like an optionality piggy bank, no spectacle, only consistency. Missed a week? Resume, no makeup buys, 2-minute journal. Date, decision, reason, rule triggered. After execution, 1 line on how you felt. This removes the theater from your head and leaves a trail for your process. With these 4 bricks, the mind stops reacting and returns to executing. Now we can turn calm into money, remove the excess, simplify triggers, and focus on what actually pays. Want to see the 80-20 working? Cut the excess before chasing the extra. Profit by subtraction. Fewer assets, fewer clicks, fewer maybe. Pick a small, knowable universe. Results don't come from 20 open tabs. They come from a lean procedure you repeat. The 3x3 rule. Clarity that pays. Up to 3 coins you truly understand, and 3 simple triggers for each. Price target, where you take partial total. Minimum time holding, so you don't churn from anxiety. Plan break. If it happens, you reduce, adjust, or exit. No inventing new triggers in the heat of the moment. Protection first. Position size comes from risk, not from today's conviction. If a move against you steals your sleep, it was too big. Sleeping well is a sign your sizing is right. Information hygiene. Set 2 check-in windows per day. Outside that, no price notifications. You don't need to be available to the chart. You need to be prepared when you open it. When you remove noise, What remains is clarity. Clarity organizes action. Organized action delivers profit, not every day, but over time. And this brings us back to the core. It's not about beating headlines, it's about beating yourself. Next, we close with the question that separates the ones who react from the ones who execute. Price will keep shouting, headlines will keep poking. Your edge isn't the reflex. It's the rule you choose and the patience you practice. The Stoic 80-20 is simple. Position size that lets you sleep, weekly DCA that never fails, a loss limit you respect, and a minimum horizon you don't negotiate. That's not romantic talk. It's the bridge between peace and profit over time. Remember, comfort is interface. Control is principle plus self-custody plus routine. When the violent candle hits, people with protocol act. People who live by the feed react. So hold this picture, screens flashing, noise everywhere, and you executing what was agreed, with no rush and no audience. That's how you gain room to move while others lose their heads. Final question, no sugarcoating. When the next hit comes, does the chart control you or do you control your money? If this cleared the path, prove it to yourself now. Like the video and subscribe. Here every week, less noise, more method, and you in control.